Good morning. Today we are going to take unit number 3, activity number 5. The topic is scuba diving. Here we will take the experience shared by one of the scuba divers that is mentioned in the textbook. Read it and try to follow it. Here in the first part it is given that he or she was scared to try scuba diving, and this is the sport which is loved by everyone. They find excuses to go somewhere only to dive. If you love it or hate it, you will be encouraged to follow this scuba diving sports. Let us see some images. I had been thinking to take a course on scuba dive months ago, but wasn't sure as I am scared of snakes, like snakes. Thinking about it makes me sick and all frightened. That was the thought in the person who has been sharing his experience in the given topic. But then I was so curious why people love it so much. They all say that under the sea is like a totally different world, yet a beautiful one. And for that I am taking my risk and try to overcome my fear of possibility of bumping into a snake. So after taking some private lessons from my diving instructor, I went to an island. Here's my first experience. First dive, 12-meter deep, tried hard not to panic. I said to myself, what if something bad happened? But I kept a positive thought. It's going to be a wonderful experience. Just do it. Then I synced myself. I went down deeper and deeper. I could feel my heart beats fast and my ears hurt as I went deeper. Following my diving instructor, I realized my ears often until I felt comfortable to explore the underwater sea. Suddenly, all around me was green. I felt like living in a green world. Really, as far as I could see, everything was green. I saw some corals, big one. Some of them looked giant, like some giant mushroom. I saw some sea urchins too, and lot of fish hiding in the sand. I was enjoying the scenery all around me until my instructor waved at me with her hand holding a pink fin. What? That fin looks similar, I thought, and yes, that's my fin. I didn't realize that my right fin managed to release itself from the right foot. I was almost choked from laughing with the regular on and the mask attached on my face. So that was the first dive in total. We dove 5 times in 2 days, managed to dive up to 18 meters depth. The next dives were smooth, and for sure I didn't lose my fin. Was so happy to see different type of fish swimming in front of me, and if I was invisible. The sea definitely looks beautiful under, and it really amazed me to realize that there are thousands of creatures living under the sea peacefully. It was indeed so peaceful down there, so quiet. All I could hear was only my breath, breathing in, breathing out, while enjoying the green world and its inhabitants around me. So, the scuba diver has shared her experience. He has said that he had a lot of fun. That was his first dive. It was near about 12 meters deep. The second dive was nearly 18 meters deep. They dived for nearly 5 times in 2 days. And previously he was very scared, but later on he was used to the scuba diving sports and he enjoyed a lot. So dear students, I have shown you the videos and images related to scuba diving here, and you might get a clear experience regarding what is scuba diving and how it is done, what are the benefits of it, and what are the precautions we have to keep while scuba diving. We can see small children also performing the same activity in swimming pools. They like the sports, they love it, but children must keep some precautions to keep their safety belts on, take their oxygen cylinders, put the glasses on the eyes, breathe normally, keep an eye on the oxygen gauge. In this way you can try to take some instructions from your instructor, and you will be able to learn the scuba diving nicely, and you will enjoy the sport. Once in a while you must try to scuba dive in swimming pools, and later on you can practice the scuba diving in the oceans or seas. Especially you must try in the swimming pools first, then you can go and try in the big waters. So dear students, try to discover more information on scuba diving and prepare a note in your notebook. That will be the homework for today. I hope you might have understood what the scuba diving sports is, and try to gather extra information other than the experience which is shared by the author, the scuba diver, which is given in the book, and try to learn all the symbols and signs which they use during the water dive or the scuba dive, and prepare a note and write in your notebook. That will be enough for today, and go on the internet and surf videos related to scuba diving. And the homework will be to prepare a note on scuba diving, how it is done, what are the precautions to be made, and what are the benefits. That's all for today. Thank you, dear students.